In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Gumroad in 2025. First, you'll want to navigate to the Gumroad website. You can do this by simply opening your preferred internet browser and typing in the URL or searching for Gumroad. Once you're there, you'll see a login option, which is your next click. It's usually at the top right of the home page. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one. However, assuming you already have an account, click on the login option. When the login screen opens, you can choose to log in via Google to make the process fast and seamless. Select your preferred account when prompted. This method is particularly handy as it spares you the hassle of remembering extra passwords. After you're logged in, look to navigate to your dashboard. Here, click on the Products tab. This is where your journey to creating your very own digital product listing begins. Once you're on the Products page, you'll see an option that says New Product. Go ahead and click on that to start creating your product. This will bring you to a setup page where you'll need to enter the name of your product. Be creative, but make sure it's descriptive and enticing to potential buyers. It's vital to check that the product type is set to digital. This is crucial because it helps categorize your product correctly on the platform. After this, you'll set the currency and add the price of your product. Carefully select the currency that suits your target audience the best. Now proceed by clicking on Next, Customize. Here is where you add more depth to your product listing. Start by crafting a compelling product description. This is your chance to communicate why your product is a must-have. Make sure the description is clear and informative. You can enrich this section by adding a custom URL. It acts as a direct link to your product, so choose a URL that's easy to remember and relevant to your creation. Next, you'll want to add some visuals. Click on the option to upload images or videos to give your product a cover. A captivating image or video can significantly enhance your product's appeal. Following that, proceed to the product info section. Include any additional details that could enrich your product listing. Once all the information is in place, it's time to save your hard work. Click on Save and Continue. While you're here, you have the option to add more content or input additional information if needed. This could include downloadable files or further details about what customers are purchasing. Finally, when everything looks good, you're ready to unveil your product to the world. Click Publish and Continue to make your digital product live on Gumroad. And there you have it, your digital product is now on sale. Selling digital products is a great way to share your creations and earn from your expertise. With Gumroad, the process is streamlined, user-friendly, and perfect for creators of all kinds. Thank you for watching and happy selling.